Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today you can see you got the white box. You got like this iridescent swoosh across the top. On the side, you got the same pattern, but it spells Vapormax. On this side, you got the small swoosh. And on the other side, you have Vapormax again. Now, what we have is the Nike Air Vapormax Flyknit 2 in black and racer pink. Now, a lot of people get mixed feelings about Vapormax. I don't know, but let's go ahead and take a deeper look into it, man. Here's the paper. You got the white paper with the Vapormax printed all throughout the paper. But enough of that, man. That's not what we're here for. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is. The Nike Vapormax Flyknit 2 in the multicolor design. Now, at first when I saw these on pictures, I was like, nah, not gonna do it. But when I saw these in hand, man, they're pretty dope, man. I can't front on them. They're pretty dope. I'm feeling them. You know, so y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about them, man. If you're feeling them or not, you think they trash, you think they hot, let me know, man. Kick off conversation in the comments, man. But like I say, man, this is a dope shoe to me. You feel me? So let's take a look at it, man. Now under the bottom, you see you got the all black outsole with the blue swoosh. Looking at it from the side, you see the Flyknit, you see the multicolor pattern. And when I'm gonna give you a closer look at it too. Now on the back, I call this the Spider-Man effect. But there's the black pull tab with the 3M, your little Spider-Man effect on the heel. There's the medial side. There's a look from the front. There's the top. There's your Vapormax on the tongue. I mean, it's well put together, man. You know, I know a lot of people not a fan of this silhouette or whatever the case is, and I'm the same way, you know, because I feel like this little area around the ankle is kind of irritating for me when I wear these, you know. So now looking at it, you can see the multicolor running all along. Now the swoosh is see-through, but it has a real dark smoke tint to it. So some people might like that, some might not. But go ahead and check them out, man. Now there's your swoosh on the medial side. Again, as you look at the tongue. It's a dope shoe, man. Here's a look at the inside. You see it has Vapormax with the swoosh. It's dope, man. I'm feeling it. Here's a look at the strings. You got the pink tips with Vapormax written in blue on it. I mean, you can't really complain, man. Now here's a closer look at that Flyknit with the multicolor pattern mixed in. Like I said a few times already, man, I think the shoe is dope. I slept on it. You know, sometimes you just can't judge shoes by the pictures you see on the internet, man. You feel me? So here's a better look at it under some different lighting. Let's just see if you know, if this is something you like to rock or whatever. I know they got people that's strictly Vapormax and Air Max, you know, so this might be for you. You feel me? The multicolor on these is nice. You know, the all black Vapormax unit is nice. I'm feeling it, man. You know what I mean? So, like I said, that was my look at the Nike Vapormax Flyknit 2 multicolor. Follows on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holla back.